Hello.
Hi Lalit.
Hi.
Are you
Tell
ready
me.
for the informal data conversations?
But just data, nothing personal.
Okay, so the first question for you is if you could only use one data analysis tool for the rest of your life,
Python.
just one.
Python. Python for life. I'll tell you why. Data analysis is not happening in isolation anymore. Right from data collection, and of course, then data cleaning, analysis, etc., and then deploying that as a solution on the cloud and maintaining that. Python can do all of it and integrates very well. So again, Python for life.
Can you teach me Python?
Right now.
No. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. What is the craziest or most unexpected insight you have ever discovered through data analysis?
Oh, I've got one for you. So there was this healthcare solution that we were just banging our heads with. We developed this disease detection model, and it did superb in the lab setting. We are talking about going from 92% accuracy to eventually 98% and so on. But when we deployed, it bombed. It bombed hard. We are talking about 60% performance drop, and everybody was scratching their heads. Coffee, tea, anyone? Okay. Can I have one?
Yeah, please.
Yeah,
please,
sure.
please.
So we are talking about the model absolutely bombing, 60% performance drop, and everybody was scratching their head. And we looked at the data through and through. Nobody was having a clue that what went right or wrong there. And eventually, can you guess what was the issue?
No.
The geographical location.
Really?
The lab model was based on metro city data, and we were trying to apply or deploy it in rural cities. And so the insight here was that data sources are important, and data context is also important. And I think that's one of the things that I've learned over the years, that we need to question data instead of just relying on algorithm to do the job.
This sounds difficult to me because data is just difficult to understand.
Oh,
but
come on.
I have another question for you.
Really? How many of you want?
Just a few.
Yeah. Tell me.
Okay, so if you could use data to answer any question in the world,
Oh
tell
God.
me what it would be.
I would want to know whether my toddler is going to wake up grumpy or happy tomorrow.
That is, I
Summer
don't think
vacations
so.
have been tough.
Data can't tell you.
I wish.
Okay, so next question from you is, what is the most challenging data analysis problem you have ever encountered and how did you solve it?
Oh, that's interesting, but an easy one because this was very recent. As an industry or as a profession, we have become so much dependent on algorithms solving everything, but that we have forgotten that data is the key to solving the problem. So this was a forecasting assignment that we were working on, and typically forecasting assignments are not huge. Typically, in some cases you have more data, but typically it's like just 2-3 months of sales data, and you want to build a sales forecasting model. So the team was throwing all these fancy algorithms, neural network, XGBoost and whatnot. Eventually, the solution was that, you know what, let's make peace with less complex algorithms and focus on whether we solve the business problem or not. Yeah, so there's that.
This sounds easy to me, but I don't know how it becomes easier on,
It
complex
does.
things.
It does.
So, one last question. Are you up for it?
Sure, why not?
I think you will like it also.
Yeah.
If you could have any fictional character as your data science partner, okay, who would it be and why?
I love that question, but also this has to be your last one. I have to leave. Anyway, so Tony Stark, Iron Man, for the money, of course, but the brains and the analysis, that excellent thing that he does. Do you know about Vision, Wonder Vision?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
watched
yeah.
it? Computing power.
Okay. Achha, I have more questions.
That's me.
Okay,
Someday
next time.
maybe.
Okay,
Sure.
next time. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a good flight. Bye.